everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. So finally I am doing an unboxing. So this time मैंने unboxing बहुत दिनों बाद की है and I have a reason for it. My mic was not working at all, and so that's the reason I was not doing the talk through videos. And moreover मेरे पास बहुत से boxes थे for unboxing, so मैं नहीं कर पाई anyways. But today I'm going to unbox the bling bag of the month of Feb. इससे पहले कि Feb जल्दी से निकले, I thought okay let's do the unboxing. And मैं generally भी कर सकती थी, but again right next to my house there's construction going on and there's a lot of noise going on, so it was not really possible for me filming without the mic. So let's start with the unboxing. So here is the bling bag, and मैंने बिल्कुल खोला भी नहीं because I really wanted to unbox in front of the camera. So I'm just so excited to see the jewelry pieces in this time's edition. So let's just open and see what jewelry I have. So this is their usual bling bag, pink in color. So I'm just gonna check out the jewelry pieces. Alright, so this time's theme is the Fab Love. So all the information about the bag is given in this info card. So let's just check out the bag and the jewelry. So this is the bag for the month of February. It's kind of like black transy pouch. Yeah, you can actually, it's see-through, you can actually see the content, but it's very opaque and very dark, so it's not that clear, and it has like a yellow piping over here. So let's just open and see. You're getting a handle like this to carry, so it's also in yellow in color, popping yellow. So let's just check out the jewelry pieces. Okay, so the first piece I am actually seeing is a pair of earrings, and it's a very pretty black stone and pearl earring with some geometrical shape going on. It has a triangle, so I'm just gonna wear it and show you how it looks. So this is how the earrings are looking on me, really pretty, chic and sophisticated. And this particular pair of earring retails for about 699 rupees. Alright, so let's just check out more jewelry pieces. Okay, another pair of earring I have, so let me just take it out. Alright, it is silver in color with some zircons and blue stone going on. It is more like a Bali type, not exactly Bali, but kind of like Bali. And this is how this is looking on me. It's really tiny and really pretty. Alright, moving on to another piece. Okay, so this one retails for about 699 rupees again. So moving on to another piece. So I'm just gonna open and see what it is. Oh, it's a neck piece, and it's a very pretty one. It's golden color and it is like a multi-chain neck piece. Okay, so this is it. This is how it looks like. You can see two of the seashells, and yeah, both are golden color. One is small, one is big, and when you lift the seashell you can actually see the pearl, which is so cute. And here the bigger one have two pearls. So this is really pretty neck piece. Love it. And this neck piece retails for about 999 rupees. Alright, moving on to next product. I think this is the last jewelry piece I have in this time's bag. Alright, so this is also very similar to the neck piece I showed you just right now, but these are earrings, and these are more of like, shell and pearl earrings. So look how pretty it is. This is how they're looking on me, and they're super pretty, and they are a little heavy, but they are not very heavy that you can't bear the weight. They are super pretty. And these earrings retails for about 899 Indian rupees. So in total I got 4 jewelry pieces, 1 neck piece, 3 earrings and a pouch. Rest all the details about the bling bag will be in the description box, so you can just check it out, and you can also avail the discount as I have discount coupon code as well. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. I hope you like it. And if you're new to my channel, watching me for the very first time, then please do hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.